concealing facts, failure to disclose, misrepresentation of facts. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Why? Because later on in the process, this can create a real problem, okay? Good moral and character. I'm going to be talking a lot about those good moral and character when it comes to naturalization, because we're having a lot of denials based on the fact that people did not answer correctly on their naturalization applications. As a matter of fact, it's because they are contradicting themselves from the green card application or from the asylum application that was applied earlier. So let me give you an example. People usually have multiple applications with USCIS, okay? A person comes here and apply for asylum, for example. But when they get here, maybe they got here with a B1, B2 visa, right? Remember, the intention is to come and then return. But if you file for asylum, so you lay out your reasons. And let's say the asylum gets granted. Remember, asylum is based on an association with maybe political organization, or asylum can be based on political organization, social organization, religion, beliefs, all that, those type of persecution. And sometimes people will list the type of organization that they were involved with, right, in the past on their asylum application. And based on that, they get granted asylum. Later on, they adjust status, right? Get granted asylum and you adjust status. You get a green card. Remember, on the green card applications, basically, I believe starting from page 11 to page 18, we have a lot of inadmissibility questions, okay? They ask a lot of questions. For example, have you ever been part of a member of any organization? Those are the type of questions they will ask. And sometimes people just forget to say yes, because they think, well, I've never been a member of any organization. But the truth is you have been, if you have applied for asylum based on a political organization or based on your affiliation with some type of any organization. So you have to say yes and list that type of organization. The moment you say no, what's going to happen next when it comes time for you to naturalize, okay? And then they find out that, because when you go to a naturalization process, that's when they investigate everything from the way you came here, what you got as benefit, and what led you to this point in time. So if they investigate and they find out that you say that you were actually in a member of any organization, and now you're saying that you're not a member of any organization, and now you want to get a naturalization certificate, or you want to be a U.S. citizen, there are a lot of contradictions, right? And now it's going to be said to you like, well, you are not a person of good moral and character because you lie under oath. Why is that? Because remember, on the green card application, you sign, you say that everything is true and to the best of your knowledge. But now they look at it, they see later on that you were part of any type of organization in the future. My friend, it looks like you lack a good moral and character, and applications are going to be denied based on that. Giving false statement, lying under oath. So just don't put yourself in that situation. I will be talking a lot about good moral and character when it comes to green card applications, any type of applications, because what's happening is I've seen a lot of people coming to me after they get denied a citizenship because of lacking good moral and character, pretty much lying under oath, which they don't really think they lie, but it's just a mistake of pretty much either they forgot what they've said, and that's really gonna lead you to a denial, and perhaps it might lead them to resent whatever thing they gave you in the past, green card and asylum, because now they'll say your asylum was fraudulent. So don't be that person. Just before you apply for anything, verify all the information and verify all the applications that you have previously filed with USCIS. That's my biggest advice. So otherwise, a good moral and character, it's major when it comes to naturalization, and that can lead them to pretty much rescind your green card and your asylum application status and everything that you have previously gained. Okay, that's it for today. This is the tip of the day. Too long, but I had to say it because that's what I'm working on recently, on naturalization denial, trying to make a different type of argument. Okay, just don't fail to disclose facts. Failure to disclose facts, it's a huge, big no. Especially even with people who, when they ask them at the embassy, do you have children? They say, oh no, I don't have children. Then they come here, later on they want to bring their children. It's like lying on the oath, because the moment you say you don't have children, now you want to bring children. So what type of argument are you going to give? So those are the things we're dealing with. Just don't do it. Disclose all the facts. I am going to come back and talk about basically the defense, especially once we win, based on the defense that we're giving, so that you can be aware. And if you have a case like that, you can contact us, of course, for a consultation. Okay? Until next time, bye-bye.